What's going on, everybody? Today I've got a special treat for you guys. We got the Camaro out of storage temporarily. We had a snowstorm a few days ago, and I believe we're going to get another snowstorm tomorrow. But last night we had a major rainfall, so it washed all the salt off the roads. So I figured I'd take the Camaro to work and finally get around to installing something special, near and dear to my heart. Actually, we picked up an MSD two-step, baby. Yeah. Here we go. Part number 8733 by MSD. So this thing is basically as simple as it gets on the install. You just plug it in line with your coils with these coil connectors right here. And then you have two options for activation. One is a ground and one is a power. Blue, when grounded, the launch feature will be active. White and blue, when switched to 12 volts, the launch feature will be active. So I believe this has a ground system. I'm going to find out the details, and I'm not going to bore you with the install. There's a million other people who've done that. So I'll get it installed, and I will show you. Hopefully I'll be able to get it all nice and tidy. These connectors are kind of bulky, and I don't know if I really like the look of having all these extra connections on top of my intake manifold, but let me get it installed first, and then I will show you guys what I came up with. Alright, well, that was pretty easy. I'll show you what I ended up doing. But we've got it plugged in on the left and the right, and then ended up tucking the box over in this corner near the PCM. Ran the wire through the dash. Ended up using a brake switch from a spare clutch pedal assembly I had for a T56. Right here is the spare pedal assembly that I ended up robbing some switches from, and I was able to use the brake switch in the cruise control position. And it's actually a smaller diameter than, yeah, see if you can see it right there. It's actually a smaller diameter, so what I ended up using was the clutch pedal grommet, and I ended up using the brake pedal switch grommet, which I cut down and sandwiched inside the switch. So the two terminals on the front half are basically open when the clutch pedal is depressed. So there is my ground signal. Ran it to a ground wire. So eventually I want to run a switch and run it somewhere in the center console. We'll get back to that. We'll put another switch in there to activate it and deactivate it. Till then, I'm going to have this set pretty high. So let's test this baby out. Yeah! Oh my god, that thing is insane. Oh man, the new favorite mod for sure, man. Anyway, I guess that's pretty much going to sum it up. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you guys have any experience with these two steps, or if you like it, you plan on putting one in, leave a comment down below. But that's pretty much going to sum it up. I appreciate you guys watching. It means a lot. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.